You're using bid strategies wrong and you're wasting money and driving irrelevant traffic to your website. But don't worry, I'm here to help. First, let's head over to our resident marketing guru to understand more about the bid strategies that are available to us. Come on, let's go. Don't be shy. Come on, let's go. Good morning, class. I want you to take a look right here. This is a bid strategy. The first one we're looking at is target impression share. I want you to think of bid strategies like a river, the way they flow into each other. No. Like a funnel flowing into a river. But target impression share is the devil. Do not, by any means necessary, use target impression share on your campaigns unless it's a brand campaign. Target impression share. Impression share is how much of the share of impressions you take up, i.e. expensive. Very, very expensive. Brand only. Do not use it for anything other than your brand name. You want your brand name to show up on top. You do not want your competitors to show up on top. Brand name, target impression share. Okay, got it? Don't forget it. Next, maximize clicks. Maximize clicks. Okay? Maximize the amount of clicks that are going to your website. What do you want to do? You want to use maximize clicks to send as much traffic to your website. This is great. Your website needs to be set up, high quality score, easy to use landing page, maximize clicks, lots of traffic. It's great. It's perfect. Use it early on. Trust me. Funnel, river, early on. Okay? Maximize clicks. I'm going to ask you one more time. What does it do? It maximizes the clicks to your website. So, a lot of traffic. Right. Got it. Next. Maximize conversions. I'm going to give you one guess. What does maximize conversions do? Wrong. It does not maximize the amount of conversions. What Google does is it sends the person who is likely to convert to your website. If your website does not have a 10 out of 10 quality score and a good landing page that is easy to get people through, this does nothing. This sends traffic through and they don't do anything. Without your website set up correctly, this will not work. I am sick of people telling me it's my fault that the ads are not working. The ads are working. Your website is not set up for conversions. Maximize, make the most of the conversions on your website. Google can only do so much. It's going to send the person who is most likely to convert to your website. Does not mean they are going to convert. Maximize conversions. Okay, we got it. You got it? What does it do? Maximizes the... Come on. Maximizes the amount of people that are going to convert to your website. But if your website's not... You get it. Right. Next, this is the be-all end-all of e-commerce. If you have e-commerce in your mind, if you sell products and there's a transaction, this maximize conversion value, meaning more money from the conversions. So Google's going to send someone who is likely to spend more money to your website. This is less conversions, but more money. Okay? So, how do we use this? Number one, target impression share. We don't use it. We Cross it out. Get it off here. Only on your brand. Maximize clicks. Clicks to your website. Google learns this is who is good on the website. Maximize conversions. People who are likely to convert to your website. Now we know who's going to click, who's going to convert. But we want more money. Maximize conversion value. That brings more money. Okay, so this is how you should be using it. Target impression share on your campaign. No. Sorry. Maximize clicks on your campaigns for about the first 2 weeks. What this will do is drive a lot of traffic to your website early on to help your campaign learn a lot faster about the potential customers that are coming to your website. Remember, if your website is set up correctly and you have a high quality score, this should be good because you'll drive a lot of traffic that is searching for whatever it is that you're selling. And they should be converting after that. Once you have left the learning phase from this, you are then able to switch over to maximize conversions. Maximize conversions is going to drive relevant traffic to your website. It's not guaranteed that they're going to convert. So you need to ensure that your quality score is a 10 out of 10 and your website is set up for conversions. This means driving traffic directly to a landing page dedicated to your ads. Using this bid strategy, you are then able to increase your conversions based off the information you learned from the large amounts of traffic that came through the maximize clicks bid strategy. You should let this run for a minimum of 3 weeks. At this point, your campaign would have been running for a month. Remember, we're trying to get the best out of our campaign early on. You can then use advanced bid strategies. This is where you would use the target CPA if you are trying to get more leads. You can have a certain cost per action with your leads. Google will then aim for that cost, helping you bring your costs down. On the other side, if you're selling products, if you're selling accommodation and there is a transaction involved, you can then use maximize conversion value. You can also use a target ROAS on this. So that is a return on ad spend. By using maximize conversion value, Google is going to spend more money. Thank you. And then you are going to get as much value out of the purchases from your ads. The target ROAS side Google will try and get a return on ad spend based on how you set it. If you want a 700% return on your ads, you will set a target ROAS to 700%, and Google will aim to spend as much as it can to get that kind of return. So what you may find is that you actually make less conversions in a short period because Google is only showing ads to people who are likely to spend more and get you a better return.
You better wrap it up!
Bid strategies should be used in a timeline. Don't set one bid strategy and leave it as that. What you need to do is have a timeline set up and you need to evolve your campaigns bit by bit. This will help you get the best results in a shorter period of time, helping you get the results that you are looking for as well. So now you know how to use bid strategies correctly. Go out there, give it a try, come back, leave a comment, let me know if it worked for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I will be sure to see you in the next video because I know you're going to subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye-bye. Thank you.